Take some time to make yourself comfortable, either sitting in a cross-legged position or on a chair. Place your hands on your thighs in a relaxed manner. Ensure your spine is straight, as if someone is pulling you from the top of your head. While keeping your spine straight, relax the rest of your body. When you're ready, close your eyes. Take a moment to bring your attention inwards. Take a few deep breaths, slowly and mindfully. Notice how the air fills your lungs and then leaves them. Breathe in and out. In and out. Return to your natural breathing and observe it. Let it happen by itself. Simply be there with your breath. Sit with it for some time, giving it your full, undivided attention. When you start noticing thoughts arising, watch them with curiosity. Let them come and go, like passengers at the airport lounge. Adopt a relaxed attitude. Simply watch your thoughts come and go. You can find a correlation between thoughts and sounds. Similarly to sounds, thoughts appear, stay for some time, and then dissolve. Whenever negative thoughts visit you, take notice of them. Allow yourself to be with them. Say it mentally to yourself. Whatever there is, I let it be. Notice how these thoughts also go after some time, without leaving any luggage behind. Everything is transient, including self-sabotaging thoughts. They never stay very long, unless you detain them and invite for a chat. Slowly walk your attention back to breathing at your nostrils. Take a few deep breaths. Slowly start coming back to the room. Notice the sounds in your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes.